It's story time.
The Lion, the Mouse, and the Snoring Bear. In a quiet forest filled with tall trees and chirping birds, there lived a tiny mouse named Nibble. Nibble was clever, kind, and very, very sleepy. You see, Nibble's cozy burrow was right next to a big, dark cave. And inside that cave lived a huge bear who had been snoring all through winter. Every night, while the forest animals slept peacefully, poor Nibble tossed and turned with cotton balls stuffed in his ears. He hadn't slept properly for weeks. His eyes had dark circles. His whiskers drooped. His tail was dragging. He tried everything. He stood at the mouth of the cave and shouted, "Mr. Bear! Mr. Bear! Winter is over! Wake up already!" But even though he squeaked with all his might, his voice was still too tiny to wake a bear that size. One morning, Nibble flopped out of his burrow, eyes puffy and full of frustration. "I can't take it anymore," he squeaked. "He's been snoring for months. I need help." So, he packed a crumb sandwich, put on his tiny red wool cap, and marched across the forest. He didn't go to the owls. He didn't go to the squirrels. He went straight to the king of the forest, Mr. Lion. Mr. Lion was lounging on a sunny rock, brushing his golden mane. Nibble gulped and stepped forward. "Excuse me, Mr. Lion, sir. I need your help." Mr. Lion raised an eyebrow. "A mouse, asking me for help? This must be good." Nibble explained everything, the snoring, the sleepless nights, the giant Mr. Bear. Mr. Lion chuckled. "Why don't you just poke him awake?" "I tried," Nibble cried. "I squeaked, I poked, I even bounced on his nose. He just snored louder." Mr. Lion gave a mighty yawn. "All right then. Let's go meet the snore machine." Together, they walked to Mr. Bear's cave. The ground shook with every snore. Mr. Lion tiptoed in. He leaned close to Mr. Bear's fuzzy ear and roared, "Wake up, sleepy bear." Mr. Bear opened one eye, and yawned a gigantic yawn. "What's happening?" he mumbled. Nibble stepped forward. "You've been snoring all winter. I haven't slept for months." Mr. Bear gave a sheepish smile. "I'm so sorry, little mouse. I didn't mean to keep you awake. Next winter, I'll hibernate in the back of the cave. The soundproof corner." Nibble's eyes lit up. "Really?" Mr. Bear nodded. That night, Nibble had the quietest, coziest sleep in the whole forest. He even snored himself, the tiniest, cutest little snores you've ever heard. And from the next winter on, Mr. Bear snored just as loudly. But way deeper inside the cave. The end. Moral of the story, even the tiniest ones can solve big problems, especially when they ask for help kindly and bravely. Hey kids! Did you enjoy the story? Tell us in the comments. Give us a big thumbs up if you liked it, share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Storytime Kids for more fun and furry tales. See you next time.